Hey everyone! Today, we're drawing Zoey from KpopDemonHunters. She's the youngest member of Huntrix, full of sparkle, fun, and secret powers. Zoey loves the stage and hunts demons with her team when the lights go out. Ready? Let's draw this magical pop star together. Let's start with her big, beautiful eyes. Now add her eyebrows. Perfect. Draw a tiny, cute nose. And a sweet, smiling mouth. Let's add her cool hair, so stylish. Now her face, neck, and ears. Zoey's face looks amazing already. Let's move on to the shoulders, arms, and her awesome flower-patterned bustier. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Now it's time to color. Pick your favorite colors. This is your art. Make her hair sparkle, her outfit shine. Colors make everything come to life, just like magic. Don't forget to follow my channel. And stay tuned to draw the rest of the Huntrix team too.